to Math Park. In our park, today we are going to learn one topic on polynomials, that is class 9 CBSE. And important part is that we are going to learn about the case study based questions. Okay, children, do watch till end, okay, and understand the topic better. So please concentrate and focus, and do not forget to watch the video till end. Okay, now here is a case 1. Read the following passage and answer the questions from 1 to 5. Ankur and Ranjan start a new business together. The amount invested by both partners together is given by the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 5, which is the product of their individual share, right? So this is the polynomial and this is the product of their individual share. So understand that carefully. The first question based on that says coefficient of x square in the given polynomial. So when you are asked to find the coefficient of x square, so remember children, so along with x there is 4. So this 4 is the coefficient of x square. Okay, so this is your option. This is the easy one. So if you are asked what is the coefficient of x, it will be 12. So the numerical value along with the variable is called its coefficient. The next question is the total amount invested by both. Okay, if x is 1000 is what? So here what we need to do is in the given polynomial, we'll substitute the value of x as 1000. Okay, so we have p of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 5. At x is equal to 1000, we'll be putting the values. So putting x is equal to 1000, we get p of 1000 is equal to 4x square. So 1000 square plus 12 into 1000 plus 5. So on calculating this, we get it as 40,12,005. Okay, so 40,12,005. So this is our correct answer. Clear, children? So just putting the variable value and simplifying, you are getting this. So easy question. Next question based on that is the shares of Ankur and Ranjan are which are invested individually are what? Either of these options. So what we need to do here is we need to factorize the given polynomial. So we have p of x is equal to 4x square plus 12x plus 5. So this will be factorizing by splitting the middle term. To factorize by splitting the middle term, what we need to do, children, we need to take the product of the first and the last term. So we have 4x into this. So we have 20, 4 into 5, take the coefficient. So it will become easy. 4 into 5 is 20. So we need to find factors of 20 such that they add up to 12. So we have 10 into 2 is equal to 20 and we have 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. This is how we split the middle term. 12x has 10x plus 2x. Now let us simplify. So when we take these two together, so common factor between 4x square and 10x is 2x. So 2x is taken out. 2 2s are 4. So 2 remains, and from x square 1x has gone out, so x remains, right? And 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. So 5. So when I multiply, again I'm getting 2x into 5 is 10x. Same thing here happens. So 1 taken common out of this, so 2x plus 5. So remember, always these two brackets will be same. We have already learned factorization in grade 8. You can again watch the videos on factorization. Okay, children? So now from this 2x plus 5 will be taken common. So our factors are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. So whatever is left, we put in one bracket. Okay. So this is the product of their share. So individually, when it is taken 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 5, your answer is this option. Okay, but you will have to solve with the steps here. Okay, so this question may be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. Then next comes their individual shares are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 5 that we have written. Remember to write the last sentence always. The next question comes, name the polynomial of amounts invested by each partner. Okay, so what type of polynomials are these? Okay, the polynomial with a degree 1 are called linear polynomials. Now this is 2x plus 1 and the power of x is 1 and power of x is also 1 here for both of this. So the name the polynomial of amounts invested by each one. So both Ankur has invested, say, this amount, and this is the amount invested by Ranjan, and the polynomial of the amounts invested by each partner is a linear polynomial. So why it is called a linear polynomial? Polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Is that clear, children? Okay. Find the value of x if the total amount invested is 0. Okay, so now we have already found the factors of the variable. So we have total amount invested is 0. That means 4x square plus 12x plus 5 is equal to 0. But we have already found out the factors. What are the factors? 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if you take 2x plus 1, if you take 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, you get 2x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. If you take 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, you get 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So that is how you get the values as minus 1 by 2 or minus 5 by 2. Got it? So minus. So what will be your option here? So the value of x is minus 1 by 2 or minus 5 by 2. So your answer is both A and B. Clear? Okay, this is how you get the 5 questions based on first case study. Let us look for one more question on case study. So read the following passage and answer the questions from 1 to 5. So on one day, the principal of a particular school visited the classroom. The class teacher was teaching the concept of polynomial to students, and he was very much impressed by her way of teaching. So to check whether the students also understand the concept taught by her or not, he asked the various questions to the students, and some of them are given below. You have to answer them. The first question is, which of the following are not polynomials? Which are not polynomials? So remember, children, if the power of the variable is a fraction, okay, then it is not a polynomial. Remember, it is called a polynomial only when the powers of the variable should be a positive whole number. Should be a positive whole number. So this is actually t to the power half. So this is not a polynomial. Okay, the power of this t, that is root t, is equal to t to the power half. So this is not a polynomial. And again, this can be written as y plus 2 into, this is y raised to minus 1. So the negative power is not allowed. So this is also not a polynomial, but all others are. Here it is y square, yes, positive power, and all the powers are positive. So yes, these are all polynomials. The not polynomials are the third one and the fourth one. Is that clear, children? Understood the meaning of a polynomial? Second question based on this. The polynomial of a type ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic polynomial. So remember, a polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Clear? If it is a degree 1, it is a linear, we have seen. And it is degree 3, then it is called a cubic polynomial. Just remember. Let's take another question on the same case. Question number 3. The value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k is what? Okay. So here what we do, children, if x minus 1 is a factor, then p of x must be 0. That means p of 1. If that means 0 of x minus 1 is 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. So that means we have to find the p of 1 should be equal to 0. So let us substitute the values. So p of 1 is equal to p of 1 cube plus p of, now in place of x I am putting 1 here, 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus k. Okay, now 1 cube, 4 into 1 cube is 1, so 4. 1 square is 1, so it is 3. And 4 into 1 is 4 plus k, which is equal to 0. So if I take this, 4 and 4 got cancelled. 3 moves here and you get the value of k as minus 3. Plus goes to other side, it becomes minus 3. Got it? So the value of k is minus 3. Okay, one question. If x plus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square plus 16, then the value of a is what? Now, if x plus 2 is a factor, then what is the 0 of x plus 2? So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. So that means we need to find the p of minus 2 here. So if x plus 2, so we will be putting the value of the x as minus 2. So p, if x plus 2 is a factor of px, then the by factor theorem you get p of minus 2 should be equal to 0. Okay, so we find p of minus 2. So minus 2 cube minus 2ax square. So put the value of 2 square and plus 16. So minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 square is positive 4, but positive 4 multiplied by minus 2, you get minus 8a plus 16 is equal to 0. So you get minus 8 plus 16 is 8. So we get 8a minus 8. So what happens over here? This becomes minus 8a plus 8 is equal to 0, wherein this minus 8a is equal to minus 8, and that is how you get as a is equal to 1, because when I want to find the value of a, it is 8 upon 8, which is equal to 1. Got it? So what you have to remember here by factor theorem, if x plus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial, then we have to find the 0 of x plus 2, which is minus 2. P of minus 2 will be 0. So that we need to remember, substitute and calculate. Understood? The last question, children, the number of zeros of a polynomial x square plus 4x plus 2 is 2. So remember, if it is a quadratic polynomial, it will have 2 zeros. Okay, if it is a quadratic polynomial, it will have 2 zeros. You don't have to or actually calculate and solve it, you just understand. When you find the factors of this, definitely you are going to get it as two factors. Clear? Understood, children? So we'll be solving more questions on factorization of polynomials. Soon I'm coming up with the video. Please share with your friends if you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.